create for 7 days of social media content. And then we're going to say, this is the first post that you recommend posting. Spring is Austin's best time to sell. Great. And it has my photo right here, my name, my brokerage, my phone number, my email address. Austin sellers, your spring window is open now. This is great. I created a real estate social media marketing skill that my AI agent uses to create content like this one and videos like this one, so that it creates daily Instagram and Facebook content for me that can generate leads and stay engaged with my audience. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to install this skill for your AI assistant so that you can create daily social media content just like me. And you can get this real estate social media marketing skill for free using the link down below. And now let's get to the video. First thing we're going to do is we're going to install the skill to our AI executive assistant. If you watched my previous video, I showed you how to set up step-by-step an AI agent for your own Claude code using the prompt. And what we're going to do is just copy and paste that skill, the real estate social media marketing skill, and then we're going to drag it here. It's free. You can download it for free using the link down below. You can access it for free. Everything I'm showing right here, double check. You can actually do it this way and say, and then we're going to select the right model. I'm going to start with the Opus 4.7, $1 million contact. That one's really good for installing things. Let's just try it this way. Maybe you won't recognize it at first because it did not recognize the folder, it looks like. So it's gonna, there we go, recalling memory. I'm gonna do this real quick, add folder, and then it's gonna be on the desktop, that social real estate marketing. So that's how we reference that folder again. Install this, there we go. Oh, it's already shared, it's already installed. Good. Next step, the skills config JSON needs to be filled with my name, my brokerage, my phone number, contact information before I can kind of want me to set that up now. Yes, let's do that. And it already is going to ask me things like, what is my name? What is my brokerage? It should already have some of that information from my executive assistant. So that let's try whether it can know, whether it knows how to do it without me asking. There we go. Get that real quick. So here is a photo. I'm just going to drag it here. I'm going to say, use this as the headshot. So now it's just going to say, okay, now we're going to use this new photo as the headshot. We're going to do it together. This is what makes it really easy to create, to download, to create reels using stock photos. And then I have the headshot right here. My headshot already installed, already copied here too. If you don't have it, you can just drag a photo of yourself and ask it to say, use this headshot instead. I'm going to show you how to do that. Get that real quick. So here is a photo. I'm just going to drag it here. I'm going to say, use this as the headshot. So now it's just going to say, okay, now we're going to use this new photo as the headshot. We're going to do it together. So it's going to say, they cannot add the image directly. I need to copy the photo into this area and name it headshot.jpg, or just drag it in the downloads and tell me the file name, they'll move it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to copy this, showing Finder. And then I'm just gonna, this is the headshot. Yep. I'm just gonna copy here. It's the same headshot. So that should be good. And now I'm gonna show you how to create social media content, because I've trained this social media agent, this social media AI agent, to create content for real estate agents. I'm gonna say create targeting, because it's the spring buyer season, spring market for, let's say, for sellers. I'm gonna try to get some seller leads. And then I'm going to say create 2 reels and create 2 reels as well. Make sure to have at least 1 carousel post. So you can see this is a very social media manager, a social media agency. When you hire them for $1,000, for $2,000, they will do this exactly for you. Instead of you worrying about what content to create, they'll create the content for you. They'll make the images, they'll film the reels, they'll edit it for you. You just say to post it. So content for this 7 right days here, this AI agent now does all of that for you content, for free, right? As long as you get access to the Claude code plan, and now you can create all of this in just a click of a button. And I create the skill that you can download, the social media skill that you can download, that you can install or teach your AI agent to use absolutely for free using the link down below. And now let's take a look together and see what that output looks like. So the whole process took about 7 minutes or so, or sorry, 4 minutes or so to create. It created 7 days of content, and it also showed me created captions. So we're going to take a look at those together. So open it right here, Spring Seller Week, and then we're going to say this is the first post that you recommend posting. Spring is Austin's best time to sell. Great. And it has my photo right here, my name, my brokerage, my phone number, my email address. The best thing is, because this is using a script that's included in the skill, generating this is free, right? Generating is free. It's not like I'm prompting AI to do things all the time. So it's actually very, very cheap to create that. And then I'm going to open the Caption MD file, and then we're going to take a look at that caption together. So when I'm posting this on Instagram, this is the image post that I'm going to create. And I'm also going to share it on Facebook. So, and then this is the caption: Austin spring home selling season. Why now beats the rest of the year? Every year I get the same question. I love that it uses me, right? It uses me as a first person. I get the same question in March. Should I wait until summer to list? The data says no. Spring is, right? It sounds as if I'm really talking. That's why I love using Claude Code to create social media content, because they do such a good job at making it sound natural. So now, come in spring, I'll send you a free Austin Spring Seller Prep Guide, the exact 30-day checklist I use on every single listing client. Perfect. Let's take a look at the second day content. This is Carousel, which means that just multiple pictures together into one theme. You can see that I love that it uses interior photos, and then 1-6 swipe to learn more, 5 things to do before you list this spring, deep clean and declutter, boost curb appeal, fix small buyer turnoffs, hire local spring expert, and then here is my contact information. Love it. And if you don't like this, if you say this is not my brand color, change it to something else, talk to it, talk to your AI agent. It's going to remember it. It's going to change it. It's basically an AI agency, an AI employee that's going to remember your brand color. If you say, this is not my phone number, this text is too small, they will make that change for you. It's straightforward, and it remembers it forever, right? This is what I love about using AI agents. I think agents, and I think realtors, real estate professionals who are using AI agents to increase productivity, they'll save on costs and they'll increase their output. This is an amazing tool that everyone needs to learn today, right? Let's get down and take a look at the caption file so that we can see. Let me just open it up right here. Perfect. So for the day 2 carousel post, you can see 1, price it right from day 1, deep cleaning and declutter, boost curb appeal. I love having these captions, right? Because this has a call to action. Come and sell, and I'll send you my full prep checklist. So as you can see, this is amazing at creating image posts, creating carousel posts. Now I'm going to show you, it actually created for me a reel, right? It created a video post that I can share to my clients. Let's take a look. Day 3 reel. Day 3 post is a reel. Let's take a look together. Austin sellers, your spring window is open now. This is great. Having a short reel, 5 seconds, that's going to play in a loop. And then the important point is this one, day 3, you should have a caption like this one. If you've been thinking about selling, read this, so that when they're reading through this caption, it's actually playing the reel over and over again. Reel gives you the most reach right now on social media, especially on Instagram and Reel. So I think having more reels is beneficial for your social media account. Let's take a look at this another reel that he created. Another interior photo or video, excuse me. And then say, know your Austin home reel value in 48 hours. That's actually pretty decent. I might say in 48 minutes or in 20 minutes or for free, something like that. So this is how amazing this AI agent is. This skill set that you can add to your AI agent. You can download it for free using the link down below. You can access it. And some of the future things that I'm going to add to the skill sets is that I'm going to make sure I can auto post and schedule posts to social media. I'm going to connect it to my social media account. Second one is I'm going to connect to my AI clone and then create actual talking head videos straight from my Claude Code AI agent. That's something I'm looking forward to creating. And then the third one is that I'm going to set up my automations, which means that someone likes my post or follow my Instagram or Facebook, I will DM them immediately using AI agent to say, hey, I just saw you like my post about this, let's say selling in spring. Would you like to access the free spring home seller guide? I can send it to you. If you give me your email, and from there we can start the next step, right? So this is called a warm outreach, which I think is gonna change the game in my business. So now that we know what it looks like, what the demo looks like, what kind of product it produces, I'm gonna walk you through how this thing works exactly. So here is the workflow. This is the social media marketing skill workflow. The first step is that you download the skill that I have using link down below. You download it and then you drag that folder to Claude Code to your AI assistant and say, install this skill. The agent is going to ask you some questions, things like what is your name, where's your brokerage, what's your contact information, and then everything from there is going to run local. It doesn't really require you to access the internet unless you want to create reels like this one where it uses stock photos and stock videos for free. I'm going to show you what to do next. Second step is that you run the content planning skill, right? You say Claude selects the post formula. I actually, in the skill set, created a 4-3-2-1 content ratio, 40% awareness, 30% trust, 20% connection, 10% lead gen. So that when I'm creating content, the content is not just a single type of content. It's different types of content that builds up variety to my social media account. And each post is matched to a format, whether it's a branded post, stat card, carousel, listing post, or video reel. You can actually ask the AI agent to create a listing post for your listing as well. So that's actually pretty straightforward. You can try that using link down below after you get access to the skill. This is a very nice visual to show you how this thing works in terms of content strategy. The third thing is the stock photo download. As I mentioned before, if you want your post, instead of having normal bland red color background, white color background, if you want some stock photo background, you can access, the first thing you gotta do is I have to create a API in Pexels, P-E-X-E-L-S, Pexels, I don't know how you say it. This is an app, this is a free API that you can just search it up. I might create a guy if you want to learn that guy. You can comment Pexels and I'll create a Loom video that you can watch. Then I'll send it to you that you can see a step-by-step guide how to get this API and then add it to your AI agent. And because having this one give me access to free stock photos and stock videos, I can start creating content like this. By the way, another thing I'm gonna do for my content is that I'm gonna start filming some B-rolls with me in it. Right? Some amazing B-rolls. I'm gonna show you some of the B-rolls that I created. Here you go. Here is a B-roll that I created. By the way, let's take a look together. So this is a B-roll of me at a coffee shop drinking coffee. If you notice anything, I've never been to this coffee shop. This is completely AI generated, right? So that is one of the skills that I'm gonna add to my AI agent is that I'm gonna ask it to generate B-rolls and then save that as stock photos or stock videos, so that when I'm making videos like this, Austin sellers, your spring window is open now, or like why you should move to Austin, Texas, it actually plays this in the background so it looks more authentic. This is what I think the next level is for my social media agent that I'm gonna keep adding to it as a skill set. But if you want just the stock photo and the stock video, you can get the Pexels via API. This is fantastic, gives you more realistic, authentic content. Next one is image generation. So this is the next step of when you ask Claude, when you ask your social media agent create 7 days of content, the next step is that it's gonna run this script right here in the skill and it's gonna use the stock photo and then put the text on top of the stock photo. Basically it shows you what happens here. Each image is composed of 3 layers, the stock photo, the gradient overlay, and the hook text. The hook text, what we talk about, is right here. This is the hook text, right? This is using a very content-driven or engagement-driven hook. 3 pricing mistakes that cost sellers thousands. This is what I like about using this AI skill set, is that it actually creates engaging hooks that people want to engage with, right? So the next step is that it's gonna pull agent detail, things like my name, my profile picture, my brokerage, my phone number, and my email, right? And it's gonna print it up there. And as I mentioned before, you can communicate with this AI agent and say, I want to change it to that, change it to that. You will understand it and remember it forever. And then this is the skill I'm giving you is a base layer. Think of it as a template that gets you very much ahead than any other agents. who are not using AI agents. And then you should build upon it. You should continue using that social media agent and to improve and make it fit your day-to-day business. So that works. And the last thing, if you want to generate video reels, is basically download the B-roll using Pexels. You'll run Remotion, which is an AI, which is like a software that helps you create videos. I find this much better compared to other options out there. And then you'll create the MP4 file, you'll fade the text in, apply branding. So that's what I like about it. Caption writing, I think this is some part I'm going to improve it a little bit more. This is using a very keyword focus formula. This is something that after studying SEO for the past few months and using some of the formulas out there that let your post rank on Facebook, rank on Instagram, and rank on Google. When people type in things like, should I sell my home in Austin, Texas? Your post will come up first if you use this formula. So this is why you want to use the caption writing from this AI agent. And then it's going to deliver you your image file, your caption file, your key outputs, and your videos if you have anything like that. So that's basically how it works. And as I mentioned before, if you want to learn how to set up your AI agent, your AI assistant, you can check out this video right here. And if you want to download this social media skill for real estate agents for free, you can use the link down below. You can access it, and then you can just pull it into your Claude code, pull it into your AI agents. And if you want to know exactly how to set up, comment Pexels, Pexels, and then I'll shoot you a quick video on how we can set up the API and then create amazing content using AI agents.